Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. So today in School for Elders, I have a very interesting and very beautiful story of Daitari Nayak. Yes, my dear friends, he is a tribal man. He's known as Canal Man of Odisha. You know why he is called as Canal Man of Odisha? There was a forest which needs to be watered, and their whole livelihood is depending on the cultivation of this particular plantations. And due to scarcity of water and irrigation facility, no proper channels of irrigation facility, there were repeated requests all of the villagers were doing to the administration. However, no proper action has been taken for their requests. So what they finally did is, this man, at the age of 70, has took his hoe and digging weapons, or digging tools. He just took, and then he just started digging that particular canal, which is now watering 100 acres of land. Yes, my dear friends, and it took 4 years to do that. And the efforts are huge efforts, which he has put. That they have been huge. There are huge efforts which he has put. And you know what, he and his family only has completed this task, and later on the community also started helping. However, he was very determined that whatever, no matter whatever happens, I will do this. And there were many challenges also which he has faced, and many hardships. So I'll be putting the story, complete story, in the description box. You can check out the link and you can get inspired by listening to this story. And you'll be surprised when you will know his age. He is 70, and government of India has recognized his efforts, and he is a Padma Shri awardee now. Yes, my dear friends, he is a Padma Shri. And today in wellness part, I just wanted to tell you one thing, uh, that whenever you face any challenge in your life, whenever you have any problem in life, it's a saying that water has healing properties, and especially when it is rainwater. Yes, Mother Nature has given us so many gifts. It's a saying that if you go to a garden and sit for 1 or 2 hours, your half of the depression, anxiety, or psychosomatic problems will get healed. And same goes with rainwater. Rainwater is no less than a healing water. It is as good as healing water. Yes, yes, my dear friends. So whenever rain happens in your area, just go out and take healing shower. I can explain this concept. Every religion has a healing water, holy water, blessed water, right? And we say that Ganga naha lete hain, ishnan kar lete hain, right? There are this concept is there in every religion. So this is nothing but when you go out, and when you have shower in this rainwater, and you just say to yourself that my body is healing, my soul is healing, my mind is healing, whatever thoughts are not serving me are getting washed away. Just see the magic which will happen to your soul. Yes, and yes, you can try this if it's raining right now in your area. And yes, because in Maharashtra, this is a rainy season. So all the people who are in Maharashtra, they can try it out. And one more thing, this rainwater heals everything, almost everything. And I have a very good example over here about water. Our 70% of body is of water, and earth is also covered 70% of water. So this universe is as good as our body cells, our human cells. Whole universe is creating one particular cell, right? So just go outside and have shower. So my dear friends, it's raining here in my area, and if you don't believe, I have completely got drenched. I have also had shower, and believe me, I'm feeling so happy and blessed. I don't know why, there is no reason. It's just, I just stood and I just said that whatever is required to be healed in my body, my soul, my mind should get healed and washed away. This earth also looks so beautiful when rain falls on the plants, leaves, and water, right? So same way, I mean, you also will start looking beautiful once you go to rainwater. I mean, that glow will be shown on your skin. and your soul, I mean, on your smile also. So yes, enjoy the showers in this season. I'm sure there would be many rains which are gonna come, so don't forget it. And if you can sprinkle this water in your house also, you can wash off all the uh, negative energies or whichever energies are not serving you from away from your home, right? So if you don't believe in anything, or you don't believe in any god or anything, you believe in your own body system, you believe in mother nature, right? So this water is showering, something is happening in the nature, that's why this water is falling from sky, right? So just go and have shower. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. And I'm highly grateful. So see you till next video. Bye bye, take care.